welcome back to my channel today. My name is Mariah Amanda, and today we're going to talk about hair. And my favorite products and how this is like air dried, so how I go about doing that. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so number one thing I want to disclaim is this is my natural hair texture enhanced. So I have like a wavy texture to my hair, a little bit curly. It's very easy to manipulate. I can curl it, I can straighten it. My hair is amazing. But when I do brush it, the curl does go away. So this doesn't like stay. That's why I would call my hair wavy versus curly. So all the products I use, with the exception of my dry shampoo, is Bumble and Bumble. So Bumble and Bumble is a brand that my hairdresser uses on me. They actually have started carrying it at Ulta, so that's really nice. You can use your points, free shipping, etc. So that's really, really good. So let's just talk about, first off, for shampoo and conditioner, I just use their invisible oil line, and I use multiple products from that line. So this is what they look like. They're in like a white and orange bottle. I wash my hair about 2 to 3 days. 3 days normally, but if I do like a workout, 2 days, every 2 days. So my hair is color treated again. Last time I had it colored before last week was a year ago. So when I made my video last year, I was using products like this, the Repair Save the Day fluid, and no, I have it in my hand, this oil, invisible oil, and I had kind of stopped using that because I don't know why, because I still had color in my hair, but it wasn't as damaged because it hadn't been like, had multiple processes, like that had been cut off, the hair that had been bleached and dyed like multiple times. So yeah, but I just had my hair freshly colored. So last night I was like, I should start using that again just to make sure that my hair is really healthy. So to do this style that I have right now, what I did first is I sprayed this. It's Bumble and Bumble's Prep Spray. And it's basically just, it helps detangle, and it helps the styling products to kind of stick and adhere. It's kind of like your base product, like your primer. And it says primer right on it, so look at that. So I use the prep spray first, and then I normally like comb it through or use my wet brush. Mine just happens to be pink. They come in all kinds of cute colors. So I use that. That's the only brush I use when I don't style it. Like, that's it. Then I put in this Save the Day protective fluid, and the instructions say to just put it on before, on damp hair, before any of your styling products. So I put that on as well, and the ends feel so good, even though they were just bleached. So next, what I used was, pretty sure I put the oil in next. So I just put a tiny bit of this, and I use this both wet and dry. So when I'm styling my hair, and then I do it like in between when I wash it. You know what I mean? So I just kind of put a little pump on the ends that are bleached. And then this has saved my life. Okay, so this is Bumble and Bumble Don't Blow It for thick hair. So last year I actually used the one for thin hair because I have thin hair, so that's what I thought I should use. But my hairdresser's like, no, I use this one on you. And the reason why, she explained, is it has more hold. So this is actually a thicker texture than the other one. So I just kind of like, I forget how much, but I kind of just worked it through my hair, and then I twist it, like literally in these like little curls, and just like let it dry. And I actually went to bed, and this is what I woke up with. I didn't brush it, comb it, or anything. I haven't done anything to it. As far as bangs go, I kind of like wanted to make sure they didn't look super crazy and curly, so I did kind of like clip them back a little bit like this when they were first drying. Initially I used one of those like red clippy things that I have that doesn't like dent the hair. And as far as like in addition to that, what I use is I have a few things. So my dry shampoo I use is Pantene. I have used Bumble and Bumbles in the past, and it's okay. It's just very expensive, and dry shampoo is something I go through a lot of because I don't wash my hair every day. So Pantene all the way. It's like $4 at Target. So I want to talk about what I use when I do style my hair, but I want to talk about this first. So this is the Bumble and Bumble Thickening Dryspun Finishing Spray, and so it works best when you use like the hairspray and everything like that, like before you dry it. But I will sometimes use this on my hair, like second or third day hair, if I want to give it some oomph. And I love the smell of this. Oh, it smells so good. And another product like that is the Invisible Oil Dry Oil Finishing Spray. And so I'll just use this kind of on the ends and like give it some texture. And by the way, all these products that I've bought, I think I got the dry oil spray since my last video, but all of these products I've bought and not bought again. Oh no, I take it back. I've purchased this again, the thickening finishing spray. During the holidays, they had like a cute little gift set where you got that and 2 like baby shampoo and conditioner of the thickening line for Bumble and Bumble, and I did purchase that because it was like a good value. So that's the only one that I've repurchased. So all of these products, even this that I use every single day, is still not gone in a year. So I'm like right here. So even though it's like around the $30 mark, this has already lasted me a year. So this is something I've used every day. Like these other products, like these baby sizes, I haven't used them regularly over the past year, but that I have 100% used it every time I've washed my hair. If I don't put anything else in my hair, I put prep spray to detangle it. So definitely worth it. Okay, so if I do style my hair, as in I intentionally blow dry it, I will use a few things. This is their Bumble and Bumble Thickening Hairspray. You use it kind of like at the root to give yourself some texture. And you can either use this with the prep spray or Tonic lotion, which is another primer, and I do have that. I just left it in my bathroom. So yeah, so use this on the root. I do have a blow dry spray product that will, it's like a cream that will help prolong the style. I don't blow dry my hair a lot, so this is not something I've used a lot of. But yeah, so definitely I use that. Thickening hairspray, the thickening this, and then like oil on the ends. To hold the style, I use Bumble Bubbles Spray de Mode. It's a flexible hold hairspray, and I've never used a flexible hold hairspray, let me tell you. I'm more of like before this I used like Treseme's, like extra firm hold, like it's crunchy, like if you use a lot of it. Yeah, it's like, it's strong but flexible hold, so I kind of like that. Lock that style in. Also, another product that I have is the Bumble and Bumble Invisible Oil Primer. So if I'm gonna straighten my hair, like blow dry it and then flat iron it, I'll use this. I don't know why specifically, like I could totally use this and the thickening hairspray. Like I could use this on the root and this on like the mid shaft to the ends, which I think what my hairdresser might do when she does style my hair. when she blow dries it. But yeah, so those are the products that I use from Bumble and Bumble. I felt like my hair came out really good today, so I kind of was just inspired to make this video super last minute. Like, I literally need to leave for work like right now. But yeah, so all of these products, like I said, I've used for a long time, and they've lasted me. So despite the hefty price tag, it's definitely worth it. And I feel like because I am going to be adding probably more color to my hair, because there's not that much in like the back and stuff like that. It's more face framing right now. I might end up buying the larger one of this, or I might not, because I don't wash my hair every day, so it's not like I'm using it every day. But the bigger one is quite expensive. Like, this was $20 something, and the bigger size, which I think might be this size, is like $40. Maybe it's not as big as 8 ounces. It's like $40. It's because of what's in it, the camellia oil. But yeah, but I think I'll definitely probably purchase a bigger, I don't know, I might just stick with the tiny sizes for like the oil and the repair fluid. We'll just have to see. But yeah, I'm sorry guys, I get so excited, I just blab on about stuff that I love. So yeah, as far as styling tools, I have a GHD straightener, which was definitely an investment, but I love it. It heats up really quickly. And just, I use like a Conair blow dryer, nothing super special. And I have like a round brush from Sally's when I do blow dry my hair. So yeah, that's about it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!